Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the uppercase text formula on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the uppercase formula on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just need to type the formula. So the formula is just put an equal symbol first here. Then you just need to type as upper. So you can see there is a pop-up here, upper. Just click this and just select this column and just click enter. It automatically changed to this. So now just copy the same formula for all, and you can see every text has been changed to the uppercase. This is the way that you can just use this uppercase formula to change the text to the uppercase text on your my WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.